In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Jira in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process and get you up and running with a seamless integration between these two powerful project management tools. First, we begin by logging into Trello. Whether you're using a personal account or a team-based setup, it's important to make sure to log in correctly. Simply navigate to the login page and choose Log In. Once on the login screen, you'll have the option to use your Google account credentials. Click on Google and select the account you want to associate with Trello. This method not only streamlines the process, but also provides you with the convenience of fewer credentials to remember. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to go to the specific Trello board you're planning to integrate with Jira. Make your way to your board, and once there, look for the Power-Ups option. Power-Ups are essentially Trello's way of extending the functionality of your boards. Click on Power-Ups and then choose to add Power-Ups. This will direct you to a marketplace of sorts where you can search for additional integrations and features. In the search bar of the Power-Ups page, type in Unito. Unito is the tool we'll be using to create a seamless two-way sync between Trello and Jira. As you type Unito, you should see an option called Jira plus Trello two-way sync appear. Click on it to learn more about the sync capabilities. Now, to implement this feature, click on Add, and then close out the Power Up menu once it has been added to your board. Now it's time to head back to Power Ups, as the next step is crucial, waiting for the Unito Sync button to become active. This button is key, and it should appear once Unito is fully set up in Trello. A little patience might be required, as it can sometimes take a few moments for the button to show up. Once the Unito Sync button is visible, click on it to open the settings. Here you'll need to authorize the connection. Click Authorize, follow the prompts and ensure that all permissions are granted. Remember, for a flawless integration, allowing all necessary permissions is essential. Subsequently, a window will prompt you to allow the integration. By selecting Allow, you're signaling that you're ready to proceed with the syncing process. If everything is in place, the next step is to proceed with Start Syncing. This initiates the back and forth data flow between Trello and Jira. Finally, Unito will require the creation of a flow. Think of this as your pipeline for data transfer. Go ahead and create a new flow in Unito, defining how and what you wish to sync between Trello and Jira. Once defined, you'll connect your Trello account to your Jira account, finalizing the integration. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Trello with Jira. This integration not only enhances collaboration, but also streamlines your project management process across teams. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy syncing.